Hello, so here goes the question all to do with the nitrogen cycle. First one, complete questions. Cross in the correct box. Plant nitrates. Plants use nitrates, should I say, to make carbohydrates, fats, phosphates or proteins. It is proteins, people. They use proteins to grow. That's why they need the nitrates so much. So I've got an explain question here now. And explain how, which is worth 4 marks, explain how different types of bacteria act to increase nitrate concentration in the soil. Well, we know about 4 different types of bacteria. So let's write about each one, and I'll tell you where you get marks for each of those bacteria. So I'm going to mention my nitrogen fixing bacteria first. So nitrogen fixing bacteria convert nitrogen into ammonia. Full stop. So I've got 1 mark for mentioning nitrogen fixing bacteria and another mark for saying what it does. What else converts something to ammonia? That is my decomposing bacteria. So let's write about that while we're talking of ammonia. Ammonia is also converted by decomposing bacteria breaking down waste and dead organisms. Full stop. So, decomposing bacteria, 1 mark. What does it do? Breaks down waste and dead organisms into ammonia. 2 marks. So what happens to this ammonia now? Well, we all know nitrifying bacteria turns it into nitrates. So, ammonia is then converted into nitrates by nitrifying bacteria. Nitrifying bacteria, 1 mark. What does it do? Ammonia is converted into nitrates. Another mark. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marks already, people. How good am I? And the last type is, well, that's it, isn't it? That's all we need to know, because the other one takes it out into nitrogen gas. We don't want to talk about that. So there are your 3. Now, I didn't explicitly talk about decomposing bacteria. I talked about decomposing happening by bacteria. So you may have missed that point, but it doesn't matter because you still should have picked these other 2 up. In this case, a mark was awarded for you mentioning the type of bacteria, nitrogen fixing bacteria, and there's also a mark for what it does. And you could also say there's another type of nitrogen fixing, so we'll put that as well in case you got that one. So nitrogen fixing bacteria usually on root nodules fixes nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. So another nitrogen fixing bacteria, but this time it's fixing nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. So that is 8 marks by my reckoning. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 marks for a 4-mark question. So you needed to get 2 of those points. bacteria. How does it do it? And name the process by which bacteria release carbon dioxide to the respiration atmosphere. That is respiration. Thank you for listening. That was nitrogen cycle, easy, eh?